Rachio built its name on smart irrigation, and now we're coming for your lighting too. Today, we're unboxing the brand new smart lighting controller, and honestly, it's about time somebody did this right. All right, let's crack this open. Inside, you've got the controller, a mounting plate, and a 3-foot, 120-volt power cable. Clean kit, no filler, no fluff. Let's see what we're actually working with. First thing you'll notice, those 4 yellow buttons up top. Love this. The big one kills all zones at once, and then you've got individual buttons for zone 1, 2, and 3. Manual control right on the unit, no phone required. Clients are going to ask about that. Across the front, you've got LED status indicators, power, zone status, and Wi-Fi. Quick visual confirmation that everything's alive and connected. Flip down to the bottom. This is where the real work happens. 6 wire-ready terminals, 2 per zone, 1 common and 1 positive per. Handles 10 down to 16 AWG, so you're not repulling wire on existing installs. And your power cable comes right out the side. Standard 3-prong 120 volt plugs into any protected power outlet. Done. Here's what stands out to me for contractors. 15 volt output, most of what's out there is 12 volts. This gives you more runway for brightness and longer wire runs without the voltage drop headaches. And 200 watts of capacity means you're not babysitting the load calculator for jobs. This thing can actually handle a real install. 3 zones that can be grouped into areas, scenes you can dial in for any occasion. Dim and warm for entertaining. Full blast for security, whatever the homeowner wants. Look, if you're already installing Rachio irrigation, lighting is the easiest upsell conversation you'll ever have. You're on the property, you're in the app, and now you've got a product that ties it all together. The SKU is SLC 3200BB. Pre-orders are shipping now, and it'll be in distribution later this summer. So start having that conversation with your clients today. Full spec sheet is linked below. Questions? Hit us at pro@rachio.com. Full installation walkthrough is coming soon. Don't miss it.